Hello, Caro. Yeah, Naira Malinyo. I'm going to celebrate Tiwa Savage today. 49.99 is launching at Obalende Motor Park in Ikoyi, Lagos. This is the Lagos premiere. We're going to support Tiwa. You know me, when I support somebody fully new, Ashwebi, I know. All of you that say, what's this Ashwebi she's talking about? We should turn by and sing. Shut up, shut up. Shout out to Sister Lata and Ibile, by the way. Tiwa, we're on our way. Okay, shout out to everybody coming today. I'm going to see you all finally. Kemi, this is a very historical day, 17th of September 2019. Obalende Motor Park, 11 a.m. Ejekirini Bell. Okay, monkey no get skills. You don't get skills. I'm afraid of Bugatti. I'm even sorry. Mo fera Versace. Mo fẹ́ gun Bugatti. No more Molo. Shout out to Lagos State Government. Shout out.